How to delete drafts on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you looking to delete your drafts on TikTok? Then you're in the right place. So, first things first, you'll have to open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and if you have saved anything as draft, it will appear on your profile right here as drafts. Like you can see, I have one draft. So you just have to tap on it, and then to delete it, you can't see any option here. So what you have to do is go back and long press on the video, and it automatically selects the video. If there are other drafts, you can select it all, and then a delete option appears on the bottom. Tap on it, and then if you're sure that you want to delete it, tap on delete, and that's it. Your draft has been deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.